Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Nishal here and you're watching Techie Programmer. So today we are going to do an interesting project on just extracting the files from the zip with just a few lines of code, and I'll just explain you how to go with that. So let's get started. First of all, I will just open up my PyCharm. Okay, I'm here in my main.py file. Let's start importing the file. So from here we are going to import from zip file, import Z capital IP F capital ILEF. This is an inbuilt module in your Python, so you don't need to go and type something like pip install zip file. We are going to write our zip file name here. So I actually don't have any zip files here, so let me just make a zip file. So what I'll do is just zip this to images. You can use any zipping softwares. We have this inbuilt. Let me just rename this. So I will just delete this because it will be extracted here, and now I'll just rename this as tut. So I'm creating a file name and assigning it to our zip file, and that is in the same directory where we are going to run this file, that is the main.py file. So once done that, we are now going to open a zip file that is file name in read mode. We are going to pass two arguments, that is width. If you're familiar with the file handling, then you'll be knowing this word. Like, we are going to open this file in read mode, and as soon as the completion of this thing or the print directory, it is going to auto close the file object. So what I'm going to do is pass, like, take the zip file, then pass the file name in the read mode and call it as small zip. And now we are going to work on this zip and print the directories if present, whatever the things are present in it. So after that, then we are going to print extracting all files now. So it just gives an indication on the console window or the terminal saying that extracting all files now. Then we're going to work on zip.extract all, that just extracts all the files from the directory, the zip file you have passed. Then after it's done, it just say print done. So this is how the code will be executed, and after this completion of this, the file will be automatically closed. So let's just hit on run, and here you can see the file name is one.jpg and 2.jpg, and it is located here, like it is pasted here, then this is here, then extracting all files now, this print statement, and it's done. And here you can see there are 1 and 2 objects. Let me just show you. Here you can see I have these 2 images that I recently deleted here. So in this way we can extract the file, and here's a challenge for you. You are going to make a GUI based or a tkinter based zip file extractor, and if you have done it, let me know in the comment section, or you can just DM me on my Instagram page, that is Techie Programmer, and I shall give you a shout out. That's it for today. Let's build more interesting project soon, and if you have any ideas and you feel stuck somewhere, then we can do that and I shall try to help you out. Thank you.